fine ancestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Right, off we go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scoots before they start firing anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry.
Wow! You good?
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, it's those purple muffins. All right. Woohoo! Fire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mom. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild.